Hello again, it's Jason with My RV Inspection, myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV service providers, folks. Find whatever you need wherever you're at in the United States. Today, I'm going to give you my weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. The RV I'm currently standing in is a 2022. It is an MSRP of nearly $650,000. Most of us won't even buy a house that expensive in our lifetime, let alone an RV. Well, in this RV, I found about 40 issues. 30 of those the customer wanted repaired before he left the dealership. And so I'm out here doing today what we call a verification of repairs. We're making sure that things were fixed before he signs the paperwork. You know, if you get an inspection, that's great, but you still have to make sure that the dealership is doing their job. Whether that's you or you rehire the inspector to go out at a nominal rate compared to the inspection and just make sure that everything was taken care of. This particular rig, there's about 3 things that were not fixed. So it's going to be going back into the shop to get the rest of that stuff taken care of before this customer takes possession. But that's my weekly one reason, folks. Brand new, $650,000 almost RV. Found 40 issues. He wanted 30 of them fixed. We came out and did a verification of repairs and found that 3 of the things weren't fixed. And I'm going to let you know what one of those things is. So when we came out to inspect, windshield wipers, they were waiting on a part because they didn't work. So we put it in that they weren't inspected. Well, I'm back out here. Everything's supposedly fixed. Went to try and use the windshield wipers, and all I get is windshield washer fluid coming out of them. They don't even move. So, obviously, that's one of the things they got to repair before he takes possession. You might think you're able to find everything, but there's a lot on these folks. We inspected over 290 items on this RV. Some of them items, there's 10, 15, 20 things we look at on that particular item. So you can imagine we're looking at a lot of stuff. So, that's all I got for today. Don't forget about myrvresource.com, the yellow pages for RV services, and have a good day.